Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back if you're returning. And today I'm going to show you guys how I do my half up, half down sleek ponytail. And the products I used was water, a gel. You can use any gel. I'm using Eco Styler, so use a gel of your choice. A brush, a rat tail comb, and something to condition or moisturize your hair. I'm using a cream. Basically what I'm doing right now is spraying my hair to reactivate the products that are already in my hair. And if you guys are wondering what I'm doing in this video, well, in this clip, I am watching a video, so do not mind my faces. And when doing this, please make sure you get the inside of your hair if you're starting on an old style. Excuse me, that was very rude. But yes, make sure you get the inside of your hair and not only the outer portion of your hair, if that makes sense. And now I'm trying to, I am sectioning off my hair. I did 4 sections. The sections really don't have to be perfect, but mine was just really matted and tangled. That's why it took me so long to get them in sections. Now you're going to take the product that you decided to moisturize or condition your hair with, and just apply it to the section of the hair. And then you're going to detangle if needed to. I personally finger detangle, but if you don't finger detangle, you can use your white tooth comb, detangling comb, or whatever it's called, or a paddle brush, steamer brush, whatever you use, or tool you use to detangle your hair. And you're basically going to repeat that to the other side. And then you're going to put that away when you're finished. And you're basically going to do the same thing on the top half. And now, if you choose to, you're going to make your part. I'm just cleaning up my part, but if you're starting off new, you're going to create a part. You can do a curved one like I did, or you could do a straight one, or a zigzag one. It's all up to you. And then after you finish applying your moisturizer or conditioner, then you're going to split the top half sections in half, so you now have 6 sections in all. I personally like to do, well, not personally, if you have thicker hair, it would be best for you to do this style in sections, so you have a better result. So I'm just spraying my hair to reactivate the cream that I use. Excuse me, sorry. And then you're going to take your gel and apply it to the section. If you're wondering why I'm respraying my hair after I put on the gel, it usually gets rid of the cast I usually get. You're welcome to try it, but I'm not going to guarantee it will work for you. Getting rid of the hard cast. And you're basically going to do that with the rest of the sections. And then you're basically going to brush your hair back in a ponytail with the top half. And now you're going to take the bottom half of your hair out. And that's basically it for this style. You can stop here if you don't do your edges, but I'm going to show you guys how to do my edges in these next clips. The edges, or your baby hairs, whatever you want to call it. This is my favorite part. I honestly like this style. I personally don't know when I remember how I did this style, because I never knew that I can do the half up and half down, you know, sleek ponytail thing. So it was pretty easy. So that's that side, and this is the first side we did. So that's basically it for this hairstyle. So you guys, give you some views. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I did. I really did, and I really like it. So like this if you enjoyed it. Comment any suggestion videos or hairstyles you want me to do. And subscribe, because I will be uploading more. I know I haven't been uploaded in a month, and I'm trying to be more consistent with uploading, and I will soon. So please subscribe, and I'll be uploading more. And that's all I have for you today in this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.